Bees are vital to our planet. They are small insects, but they have a big job. Bees pollinate our plants. This means they carry pollen from one flower to another. Without bees, many plants would not be able to reproduce. Bees give us delicious honey. Honey is a natural sweetener. It is made by bees from the nectar of flowers. Beeswax is another valuable product. Bees use beeswax to build their hives. We need to protect bees. Their populations are declining in some parts of the world. We can all do our part to help bees by planting flowers. We can also avoid using pesticides. The life cycle of a bee is fascinating. It all starts with an egg laid by the queen bee in a honeycomb cell. The egg hatches into a larva. Worker bees feed the larva a special food called royal jelly. The larva grows and spins a cocoon around itself. Inside the cocoon, it transforms into a pupa. Finally, the pupa develops into an adult bee. The adult bee emerges from the cocoon ready to work. Worker bees have different jobs depending on their age. Some bees clean the hive, while others guard the entrance. There are many different species of bees. Some bees are social, like honeybees. They live together in large colonies. Other bees are solitary. They live alone or in small groups. Honeybees are probably the most well-known type of bee. They are known for their honey production. Bumblebees are another important pollinator. They are larger than honeybees and have furry bodies. Carpenter bees are solitary bees. They get their name because they build their nests in wood. Mason bees are another type of solitary bee. They use mud or clay to build their nests. The queen bee is responsible for laying all the eggs in the hive. She mates with male bees called drones. Drones do not have stingers. Their only job is to mate with the queen. After mating, the queen stores the drone's sperm. She uses it to fertilize her eggs throughout her life. The queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. The queen bee controls the sex of her offspring. Fertilized eggs develop into female worker bees. Unfertilized eggs develop into male drones. Section 5. The sweet nectar of life, a bee's diet. Bees feed on nectar and pollen from flowers. Nectar is a sugary liquid. Bees use their long tongues to suck it up. Pollen is a powdery substance that contains protein. Bees collect pollen in special sacs on their hind legs. These sacs are called pollen baskets. When the bee visits another flower, some of the pollen rubs off. This helps to pollinate the plant. Nectar provides bees with energy. Pollen provides them with protein and other nutrients. Bees need a balanced diet to stay healthy and strong. Section 6. Liquid gold, the making of honey. Honey is a sweet, viscous food substance made by honey bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their honey sacs. Inside the hive, they pass the nectar from bee to bee. This process reduces the water content of the nectar. Bees also add enzymes to the nectar. These enzymes break down the complex sugars into simpler sugars. The bees deposit the thickened nectar into honeycomb cells. They fan their wings to evaporate more water. When the honey is ready, they seal the cells with beeswax. Section 7. Dangers and defenses in the hive. Bees have a variety of predators, including birds, spiders and wasps. They also face threats from diseases and parasites. However, bees are well equipped to defend themselves. Honeybees have a barbed stinger that they use to inject venom into their attackers. The stinger is attached to the bee's abdomen. When a bee stings, the stinger is ripped from its body. This kills the bee. Bumblebees and many other bee species have smooth stingers. They can sting multiple times without dying. Bees also produce alarm pheromones to alert other bees in the hive of danger. Section 8. The enduring importance of bees. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are responsible for pollinating a wide variety of plants, including many fruits, vegetables and nuts. Without bees, our food supply would be severely impacted. Bees also contribute to the beauty and biodiversity of our planet. Their pollination activities support the growth of wildflowers, trees and other plants. These plants provide food and habitat for other animals. We must protect bees and their habitats. We can all do our part by planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use and supporting beekeepers. The future of bees and our own well-being depends on it.